alaikum. I am Uzair Ahmad, student of class 4, son of Qari Harun Rashid. Today I want to remind you of the importance of unity in our Ummah. Allah says in the Quran, Surah Al-Imran, verse number 103, وَاعْتَصِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا, and hold fast all of you together to the rope of Allah and be not divided among yourselves. We are one Ummah, one community of believers. We share the same God, the same values and the same goals. Let us put aside our differences and come together as one. Let us support each other, encourage each other and help each other to grow and develop. Let us stand united against the challenges we face and work together to achieve our goals. As the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, the believers are like a single body. If one part of the body is afflicted, the entire body feels the pain. Let us feel the pain of our brothers and sisters who are suffering around the world. Let us come together to help them, to support them and to stand with them. Let us unite as one Ummah under the banner of La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Thank you.